The 2025 Honda CB750 Hornet makes a striking statement with its aggressive new design, featuring a bold dual LED headlight setup. This sharp, Street Fighter-inspired front end, paired with a redesigned cockpit fairing, gives the Hornet a distinctive look that sets it apart from its predecessor. Underneath the fresh styling, the Hornet's chassis has undergone significant refinement. Honda has equipped the 2025 model with an upgraded Showa 41mm separate function big piston upside-down fork at the front, and a Pro-Link swingarm at the rear. These suspension improvements are tuned to offer enhanced damping settings, resulting in better agility and greater stability on the road. This translates into a more responsive, enjoyable ride whether navigating tight corners or cruising on open highways. Powering the CB750 Hornet is the same 755cc parallel twin engine found in the earlier model, delivering 92 horsepower and 75 Nm of torque. With a curb weight of 192 kilograms, the Hornet maintains an impressive power-to-weight ratio of 0.36 kilowatts per kg, offering a well-balanced combination of power and maneuverability. Honda's throttle-by-wire technology brings added versatility with selectable riding modes, standard, sport, and rain, as well as a customizable user mode. In user mode, riders can fine-tune parameters like power delivery, engine braking, and traction control to suit their individual preferences and riding conditions. Additional features designed to improve safety and convenience include self-canceling turn signals and Honda's emergency stop signal system, which activates the bike's hazard lights during sudden braking to alert following traffic of rapid deceleration. For riders holding an A2 license, the 2025 Hornet is also available in a 48 horsepower version, expanding its accessibility to a wider range of riders looking for a versatile, mid-range motorcycle. With its mix of advanced technology, enhanced handling, and unmistakable Street Fighter aesthetic, the 2025 Honda CB750 Hornet is a thrilling choice for riders seeking a dynamic, well-rounded machine that combines performance with everyday usability.